Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can amend chart of accounts on QuickBooks accounting software. To amend chart of accounts, we need to go to settings section and subsection called accounting. Here we can access account codes. From my list, there is separate revenue streams already created, but there is no separate revenue streams for cost of sales. To add a new code, I need to click on create account code, add account name, so I will have cost of sales and will be bracelets. For example, select account type, in my case it is cost of sales, and this code should show up on purchase list. And click save new account. So go back to all account codes and cost of sales bracelets are showing up there. If I need to edit any of codes, the ones which got blue pen next to it will be able to edit. So if I need to amend description for bracelets or change account type, I can do it. And once you do any changes, click on update account. The codes which got red bin next to it, those can be deleted. The codes which got already transactions recorded, like these are the 3 new codes that I added, these cannot be deleted. But recently added code for example, bracelets, cost of sale bracelets, I will be able to delete by clicking on that red bin and click delete. So in this episode, I showed you how you can amend chart of accounts on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.